अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में B.ed कोर्स कोड 8609 को इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। ये वीडियो आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेटिव है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन रिपीट ही होते हैं, तो आपने इस वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है और इन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को अपने माइंड में रखना है। इंशाल्लाह आपके भी अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ Plato's philosophy believes bodily development is only source of. Correct option A, emotional development. Question number 2. Its focus is on everlasting realization. Correct option A. Perennialisms. Question number 3. Which of the following is not criticized by realism in education? Correct option A. Organizing school in a way that is conducive to practical training in citizenship. Next question number 4. Naturalism accepts the principle of. Correct option C. Unity. Question number 5. Which of the following is the source of knowledge? Intuition. According to the monasteries, the most important period of life is. Correct option B. From birth to age 6. In which source of knowledge human feelings play a greater role? Correct option B. Intuitive. Dash stress the education should focus on the whole child rather than on content or the teacher. Correct option A. Progressivism. Teacher in the kindergarten act as a. Correct option C. Friend. To bring peace in society, one should work on. Correct option D. Freedom. Who said that teachers should consider the difference in ability and character among students? Correct option D. Al-Ghazali. During the age from 6 to 12, a child uses. Correct option C. Reasoning mind. Pragmatists say that thought is a tool for. Correct option D. Prediction. Which branch of philosophy exam issue pertaining to the nature of reality? Correct option B. Metaphysics. Which method is used by realists in order to understand the world? Correct option A. Golden means. Herberts assign a subsidiary position to. Correct option B. Historic subject. A child is average on creativity, poor in academic achievement, high in social development. This is an example of. Correct option C. Measurable difference. Probable philosophy is of absolute. Correct option A. Idealism. Father of positivism was. Correct option A. In naturalism, teacher should work as a. Correct option D. Guide. The Dolan School founded by Helen Parkhurst in New York City in. Correct option C. 1919. I hope this video is informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.